Today, we'll be talking about the clothing system in hiking. So generally, there are 4 layers of clothing, including the undershirt, the t-shirt, as well as the fleece and jacket, but we won't go in detail here. And we also have the pants and the hiking shoes. So, an undershirt serves as a base layer of your clothing system. If you're in cold weather, it can help preserve heat. But you're in hot weather, it can also help soak in sweat so that your body stays relatively dry. Most undershirts are usually made of materials that are quick dry and breathable. Shirts are the second layer of your clothing system. You can wear a short sleeve shirt for hot weather and a long sleeve shirt for cold weather, but bear in mind that if you have long sleeve, your arms will be protected from the terrain such as shrubs or branches. You should also wear shirts of breathable material so that your shirt doesn't collect all the sweat and doesn't kick it out, making it all heavy and making you slower. Next up is pants. You should always wear long pants when you're going hiking so that your legs are protected from the branches and shrubs that stick out. I've tried wearing short pants once on the hike and my legs were all scratched up and bleeding right afterwards because I was hiking through undergrowth. Last up is shoes. Now shoes, you should always try to wear hiking shoes instead of your sport shoes. This is because hiking shoes usually have grips on their soles that will reduce the chance of you tripping and slipping on the hiking trails. Now, it's important to tie up your shoe as snug as possible. This is because shoes should be only extensions of your feet. If your feet keep slipping around in the shoes, then you'll be unstable and have a higher chance of tripping.